car accident claims made easier. All of our 3,000+ case staff, along with 800 attorneys, apprehend that submitting an auto accident declare can be a irritating and elaborate challenge for you and your cherished ones. That's why we make the compensation manner simple, straightforward, and common and battle to get you the most compensation you deserve. Richard J. 𝐘𝐿, attorney at law. If you have in no way been uncovered to the criminal justice system or been lucky adequate to have in no way been the sufferer of an harm incident, then you are one of the fortunate ones. The truth is that you, a friend, a household member, or acquaintance, at some time will want to assist in at least one of these areas of law. I have been representing human beings in these areas for over 20 years. Character in the crook justice machine for the first time is dealing with a feasible arrest, a public crook accusation, fines, probation, incarceration, and, most seriously, a crook conviction that will stick to each and every job, apartment, or college utility for the relaxation of your life. Your lawyer will look at the evidence, query the witnesses, and look up the law. Your attorney will be there with you in courtroom to tackle the decide and deal with the prosecutor to make certain the case is resolved pretty and appropriately, thinking about all of the circumstances. If the case can now not be resolved, your attorney will be with you in trial, in the front of a chosen jury, and will be the solely character in the room hostilities for you. A private harm case is honestly extraordinary than a crook rely, but, for many people, the stakes can be nearly as high. Imagine this situation: your partner is on I-4 returning from Orlando and is worried in a serious motor car accident. The accident was once brought on by using the different driver, however proper now that doesn't matter. The accidents are severe and will require a prolonged and costly sanatorium stay, observed with the aid of a lengthy rehabilitation. Injured due to negligence. Call Plantation Car Accident Lawyer Narina Smart. According to Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles, there have been 331,341 whole automobile accidents in the Kingdom of Florida in 2020. Of these accidents, 3,347 fatalities resulted, alongside with 212,535 injuries. In Broward County alone, there have been 34,046 crashes, 235 fatalities, and 19,016 injuries. In 2015, the two most risky areas for automobile accidents in Broward County were a 2.28-mile stretch of Sheridan Street, bordering Dania Beach and Hollywood, a 9.09-mile component of State Road 7, additionally regarded as US 441 close to Melrose Park. According to Forbes, the common grown-up will file a declare for a vehicle collision about as soon as each and every 17.9 years. Not each auto accident will be a serious one, some will be minor parking lot fender benders. About a third of all collisions are rear-ended collisions, speaking to the truth that we are a state of distracted, tailgating drivers. We additionally have a tendency to run into things, stationary objects like poles, trees, or parked cars. These accidents make up as many as 20% of all collisions. Having a vehicle accident attorney in your nook is continually the pleasant route of motion on account that auto accidents are so notably common. An overview of types of car accidents and causes of car accidents. There are many distinct sorts of automobile accidents, with the most frequent being rear-ended accidents. Rear-end collisions are nearly usually precipitated by means of an aggregate of inattention, distraction, and following too closely. Rear-end accidents regularly result in whiplash injuries. Head-on collisions are certainly usually the end result of negligence, and frequently the end result of impairment. Head-on collisions are the most probable kind of auto accident to motive grave accidents or death. Intersection accidents are typically induced by way of careless driving, drivers that run pink lights, are riding too fast, or are truly no longer paying attention. Side impact automobile accidents are regularly recognized as T-bone accidents. This kind of accident can additionally result in devastating injuries, as there is little safety on the aspect except the auto is outfitted with aspect airbags. Rollover accidents are normally single-vehicle accidents. A driver may additionally take a nook too fast, and the automobile rolls over, probably crushing the pinnacle of the vehicle. SUVs have a tendency to have a greater middle of gravity than cars,